Good morning, children. Last class I have to finish the parts of flower. See, take a flower. Okay, just take a flower. Discuss on the longitudinal and the parts of the flower. Can you identify the male reproductive? Lesson book page number 61 and 62. Page number 61 and 62. See, this is a flower. Listen, this is called anther. What is that? Anther. See, this is pollen grains. Pollen grains means பார்த்தீங்கன்னா yellow கலரில் துகளாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? That is pollen grains. This is called a male reproductive organ. This is called male reproductive organ. This is anther. ஓகேவா? அந்த மட்டு மாதிரி இருக்குது ஒரு மொட்டு மாதிரி அது anther. அதோட கீழே பாரு அந்த இதோட அந்த மொட்டுக்கு கீழே ஒரு டியூப் இருக்கா, that is called filament. See, this is only. This is anther, this is called filament. See that. This is anther, then tube, that is called filament. Okay va? This is also pollen grains. Yellow color நிறைய இருக்கு பாரு. See, that is pollen grains. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Male reproductive organ. What is that called? Male reproductive organ. See, this is male reproductive organ. See, here is. Can you identify the male reproductive organ? Andrecium. All the male reproductive organ is called andrecium. All the male reproductive organs called andrecium. Next, the female reproductive part, gynoecium. See, can you identify the male? First I will see. Take a flower, dissect the shown the longitudinally and find the parts inside the flower. Can you identify the male reproductive part? Andrecium. Male reproductive organ called andrecium. What are all including stamen, filament and pollen grains. Pollen sac. I said no. Filament, anther, filament and pollen grains. Anther is otherwise called stamen. Next, carefully observe the female reproductive part called gynoecium. Male reproductive organ is called gynoecium. Male reproductive organ is called andrecium. Female reproductive organ is called gynoecium. What are including ovary, style and stigma. See, you dissect a flower. Dissect means what? Cut பண்றது. கட் பண்ணி எடுக்கும்போது உள்ள உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். See that. See, this is called ovary. This is called ovary உள்ள. That minute like yellow color like this like this is inside. I'm already give that activity. You just to open and see this one. Carefully, you have to gently handle this flower. See, this is called stigma. This is style. This is ovary. Inside this ovary here. Ovary and this is called ovary. This is called ovule. This and all called what is gynoecium. What is that? Gynoecium. This is a female reproductive organ. This is all female reproductive organ. This is called a male reproductive organ. Okay, this again once again read. This is petal, chapel, green color. This is petal. This is stamen, filament, pollen grains. You gently remove means you take that like this one. This is இப்படி இருக்கும். This is ovary. Okay va? This is ovary. You gently open means like structure will come. See, you get like this structure. This is called ovary, like bud like coming. No, see, bud. This is ovary. Okay, you just open and see means you can find this parts. That is ovary, ovule. Okay, ma'am. See, parts of flower. Collect few buds and open flowers of hibiscus and datura. Datura means which one? Umatambu solvuli, that is only datura. With the help of your teacher, perform the following parts. See, observe compare the bud and open the flower hibiscus and datura. Okay, tabulate the characteristics. You must tabulate the characteristics. Listen children, I can't find that this tattoo flower. Okay, wow. If you have it in your street means black the tattoo bud and the flower also you can observe and write this one. See, hibiscus flower bud, open flower. See, this is bud, this is open flower. Okay, bud is most of how many, what in color? Maximum green in color. Okay, but open flower, see, bright in color. Bright. Next, chapels. Maximum எப்படி இருக்கும் மொக்கில் பார்க்கும்போது மேக்ஸிமம் நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்னா செப்பல்ஸை நமக்கு அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும். பட் ஓப்பனில் பெட்டல்ஸ். ஓப்பன் this is called petals. This is open flower. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அதை நம்ம டிஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா this is பட் எப்படி இருக்குது கேர்ல்டு பெட்டல்ஸ். this is called petals. பட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது கேர்ல்டு பெட்டல்ஸ் சுருண்டு இருக்கும். பட்டு ஓப்பன்டு எக்ஸ்பாண்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும் நல்லா விரிஞ்ச அழகாக ஓப்பன்டு எக்ஸ்பாண்டட் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ். ஸ்மால் டியூப் வித் எல்லோ லூப்ஸ் இன் ஆந்தர். ஸ்மால் இன்சைடு ஓகேவா இன்சைடு yellow small tube with yellow lobes anthers. But here see how like expanded tube with yellow lobes anther. Okay, that's also same like datura. Datura means umatambu. See, but maximum how like a green, most of green in color. This is open flower, white in color. Next, chapels. Next, petals. Okay, wow. Now see, bud எப்படி இருக்கு curled petals. Okay, curled petals. This is opened expanded petals. This small yellow lobes in anther. This now see here see expanded yellow lobes anthers. This is differentiate. Hibiscus flowers and see bud green color. Are you visible now? But green color, brightly color. This is chapel petal. Dissected means what? அதை நம்ம கட் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்குது டிஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது. பட் curled petals. This is open petals. Small tube with yellow lobes. See here expanded tube with yellow lobes anthers. Datura. Bud open flower. Green color, white color, chapels, petals. Bud open flower. Curled petals, expanded petals, yellow small yellow lobes anthers, expanded yellow lobes anthers. In bud we can see green color, right? Leaf like structure which covered whole bud of flowers. In bud green color. See, most of green color covered structure which cover whole buds of flower. It's covered whole buds of flower. Each of this green like structure present as an outermost layer is called chapel. See, this is only each of this green like structure present as an outermost layer is called chapel. This outermost ring is called chapel is known as galaxy. The chapel out the one means what a chapel. This is one leaf is called one part is called chapel. Okay, wow. See, one leaf is called chapel. But see, wait.